All right. So, can you guys see my screen now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, the first thing that I would like you guys to know is the date of our final exam. So, your final exam will be on November 27. So, that's exactly 2 weeks from now. Okay. So, supposedly we have like 3 weeks, right? Exactly 3 weeks for the entire finals. But since we've, used the meeting, when was that? On Tuesday last week. I mean, this week, Tuesday. See, can my bad, Wednesday. This week, Wednesday. So we've already like missed one meeting. Okay, so that is why we are quite in a rush with our schedule right now. So what we'll do, so we will still of course go over with week 4 and with everything. So we have 3 quizzes for this one. So quiz on memory management. We have 2 parts for this one. So part 1 and part 2. So yeah, that's it for the main memory or memory management. And then one quiz for virtual memory. Okay, so just one only. And then one case study as usual. All right. So in here we have a total of 4 activities. But in week 5, so I haven't like for example, I haven't created, okay, or finish editing this one. So the correct format of this one is something like this. We have the overview, the learning materials, the OER, and so on and so forth. But this one is not yet complete. But yeah, we have a total of 3 modules, but one uh, activity only. So one quiz only. Okay, since we don't have enough time anymore, so we'll just have one quiz for the week 5, and then no quiz. Okay, no quiz. So we still have like 3 modules. Okay, for the week 6, but I'm not going to give any quiz anymore. So I remove the quizzes under week 6 so that we will only have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, since we still have one case study number 5, and then for week 6, probably I won't be giving any activity on this one anymore. Okay, so with that, we can just have exactly 2 weeks, for week 4 and week 5. But of course, I will still publish your week 6 since this one is, included with your final exam. Okay, so still the coverage of your final exam will be all of the modules in finals. So we have a total of like 3, 6, 8 modules. Okay, 8 topics for the final. So it's quite a lot, but lesser activities. Okay, so yeah, to uh, call this one, to make it fair. Okay, since we don't have enough time anymore, since we only have exactly 2 weeks. So are we clear with that one so far?
Yes, sir.
Since yun na, hindi ko rin kasi nakita yung schedule ng finals. So my mistake on my side, that one. Akala ko meron tayong like lampas 3 weeks, but it's like exactly 2 weeks na lang. Okay, so sobrang anyway, so everything is still the same. So you will see here the overview. So you'll see here the topic learning outcomes, the list of topics, and then the learning resources. We have, of course, 2 modules for this week 4, and then all of the videos. Okay, so we have the memory management for this one. So we have like 10 or 12 videos. And then we have here the virtual memory. So we also have like 8 to 10 videos. And then some additional PDFs. Like if you need more information, like for example, this one is not enough maybe, like you need more information, so you can visit those PDFs. Okay, so we have 2 PDFs from Mr. Jerry Preacher. and then we have one from LaTeX.edu, and then one from Research. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it for now. So I'll just publish this one, of course, next meeting, since I haven't finished this one yet. So for now, just work on this 4 activities. Okay. 3 quizzes, I mean 2 quizzes, 1 assignment, and then 1 discussion. All right, so the last agenda is, of course, the top 10 highest scorer in midterm exam. So here are the list of top 10 highest score in midterm exam. So number 1 is Mr. Donato Isagani. So he got a score of 62 out of 75. So congratulations. And we have top 2, or the second highest, which is Miss Sekpigan, Eileen Joy. So she got a score of 57. So the same with Mr. Estabilia Nathaniel. So he also got a score of 57. And top 4 is Gallegas Maris. She got a score of 56. And Fagyan Jason Jet got a score of 54. Miss Ginoran Grace got a score of 53. And Miss Garcia Maxim Chelsea got a score of 52. And Mr. Mosquete Eric Chan got a score of 51. And then Mr. Alucan Benser got a score of 48. And then our top 10 is Mr. Gangas Carlito Jr. Got a score of 47. Okay. So don't get me wrong, this one is just the top 10 highest score in midterm exam. So this is not the overall top 10 of the class. Okay, since I haven't checked most of your quizzes yet, okay, especially the solution part. Okay, and the same with the case studies. I haven't checked them yet. So this one doesn't dictate the top 10. So this one is just the top 10 highest scorer in midterm exam. So congratulations to our top 10 and to the others also who got a at least a passing score. So that's already a great achievement. Okay, knowing that operating system is one of the hardest subject. Okay, well actually before I enjoyed the subject, though it's quite hard. It's really quite hard, but there is this part where we are going to program. Okay, well we're not going to create. We didn't create an operating system, but we've used a certain language, and then we created like uh call this one like parang pandaraya, like we've just put some text boxes, pictures, and so on and so forth, and then we coded it one, and it looks like an operating system, but in reality it's just a panel, picture box, a text box, and so on and so forth. Anyway, any violent reaction so far regarding with the top 10 high scored midterm exam? So no one disagrees with this score. Maybe your score was like maybe 60, but your name is not in here. So maybe I've missed your name. So just let me know. Okay. So yeah, that's only it for me. That's the agenda for today. So any question or clarification so far before we end our meeting?
Wala naman po, sir.
All right, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, then yeah, that's it. So we it only took us 9 minutes since we've started exactly 11:35. So
Ay,
as
sir.
yes,
Sir, unrelated question. Sir, magkakaroon daw po ba ng ACAD break sa UC?
nang
ACAD break, sir.
ACAD
Break, sir. Academic
Like?
break, sir.
academic break.
Yes, sir.
I never heard something like that. One thing is for sure, we're going to have a limited face-to-face classes next term. So this coming January. So yeah, kon lang naman siya mga parang pili. Okay, mga piniling laboratories wherein it's really required it's really required the student to use a certain equipment. So yung mga electronics, electrical laboratories, okay, yun yung mga magkakaroon ng laboratory. But if it's a lecture, if everything can be done in lecture, so I mean in online distance learning, then why not? Okay, so meron din mga ibang laboratories na pwedeng gawin sa ODL. But there are some subjects that really need to use a certain equipment. Okay, so that is why there will be a face-to-face learning method instead of ODL. So yun lang naman.
Thank
Well,
you, sir.
if ever that there will be an academic break, so mag-a-announce naman, I think, may inform naman kay lahat, syempre. So kung
Okay,
sakali.
sir.
Alright,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Alright, so if the others don't have a question anymore, then you guys may now go. So meeting adjourned. Happy lunch, everyone, and as always, keep safe.
Thank you, sir. Bye po.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, sa case study for nakalock pa rin siya.
Case study 4.
Opo, nakalock, sir.
Alright, just wait a second. Let me just check. Publish naman na. Try to reload your canvas.
Na-publish na, sir, pero yung nakalagay dito nakalock, sir.
Okay. Wait, let me just check the date. I see. So the availability is not November 13th. Okay, so please check again.
Okay na, sir.
All right. Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
So goodbye.